In today's class, I am going to discuss about what is quality score, how we can achieve good quality score, and what is its benefit, and how to improve our quality score. So, what is quality score? So, quality score is a rating or an evaluation grade given by Google for your keywords, considering the quality of your keyword and Google ads you have created. So it's for keywords. So now the question is, why for keywords? Why we are not giving? Why Google has decided, okay, there should be something called quality score and it should be given for keywords?
Because keywords are related to the relevant ad copies that we are having in.
Why is it not given for campaign? Why is it not given for ad group? You guys know that, okay, you have learned till now. You have learned about campaign structuring, the way we design the campaign structuring, the campaign ad group, and how to define the ad groups, and how to define the keyword match type, then ad copywriting, ad extension. All those factors are there, but still Google has decided we should be having a quality score. We should be having something called quality score only for keywords. Why not for campaign? Why not for ad group?
See, quality score is the keyword is the only particular thing which user will come with the page.
Yes.
We don't know.
So normally, if Prashant needs something, or if I need something, if I need to purchase something, or I need some information, I'll go to Google and I will type. So whatever we are typing, that is called keyword. If we need something, if we require some information, we type something, keyword. And the most important thing is that if you have a new company, or something, let's say Abhinay got new e-commerce company. Abhinay is having new e-commerce company. You are selling all type of apparel and dresses for men and women. So who will be your top competitors?
Whoever
is providing the same sort of product and services, right? So Myntra will be a competitor, right? Myntra, Flipkart is there, Amazon, and all those e-commerce websites are your competitors. So how Abhinay is going to compete with them? So if we know that PPC ads is pay-per-click ad, that means we are paying to Google for each click. We are ready to pay Google when our keyword or when our ad copy is shown on the search results and when someone is clicking on that ad. And you know that if someone really needs to click on your ad, you need to show your ads on the top position. So in order to show your ads on the top position, these all guys are ready to pay. So if it is only about paying, if it is only about money, click and pay. If it is only for money, if it is only about money, then only these big guns will be showing your ads. Abhinay won't be able to show his ad on the top of Google search results. So, in order to prevent that, or in order to make everyone have that possibility or have that opportunity to compete with each other, Google has introduced quality score for keywords. If Abhinay is having good quality score for his keyword, yes, with a less CPC, he can compete with Myntra, Flipkart, and all other e-commerce websites. Now, let's say, I think some of you have done SEO training course, right? So, in the same case, let's say about SEO. Abhinay's e-commerce company is there, and his competitors are here, and Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, some other websites are here. So the top competitors will be this one, who are close by, right? So the number of keywords ranking will be high among this one, and Abhinay is only ranking for 1 or 2 keywords. 2 keywords, let's say. And these guys are there, 100 keywords, 150. So initial stage, you will be targeting, you will be competing with these guys. So there the time will, you have to spend a lot of time, you have to be patient and you have to strategize your SEO. But at the same time, what I'm saying is with the help of PPC, pay-per-click ads, you will be able to compete straight to these big guns. Flipkart, Amazon, so whoever is there. So Abhinay, who is having e-commerce, a new e-commerce website, whoever, it's not about e-commerce, whoever is having a new website, new startup, and they really wants to compete with the top guns, you can be here and you can look up and say that yes, we are coming. I'm going to compete with you, I'm going to show my ads with you and you can get leads. So I'm going to discuss about how you can achieve good quality score and what are the parameters you have to check, how to improve your quality score for your keywords and how it is affected, how it will help you to achieve a good ad rank. So Google determines quality score by checking your ad relevancy, expected CTR and landing page. So what do you mean by ad relevancy? Ad relevancy. First point, second point and the third point. Okay, let's say someone is looking out for digital marketing course. Someone is typing digital marketing. Training course.
Prashant, what is ad relevancy? You wanted to say something? You start.
Relevancy means when we target some keyword,
Okay.
it should be like when we write the ad copy, it should be relevant to the keyword.
Relevant to the keyword.
Which keyword we are targeting.
Okay. So ad relevancy basically means that when user is typing something on search engine, the user should see it, the search term should be relevant to your ad copy whichever you have written. So when user is typing digital marketing course, he should be finding ad copies related to digital marketing course only. And if there is an ad copy like SAP training course or Java or any other .NET or any other training course or something, he won't be interested in this subject. So he is looking for digital marketing training course. So in same way.
But why will someone promote this SAP and Java? I don't think so, because someone who is searching for digital marketing course, they will find the ad copy related to digital marketing course. They will not find SAP Java, if I am correct.
So we don't know if they are targeting a generic audience. Suppose if I have a new institute or something and I want to target generic audience, I can target this audience as well. So let's say, so these are the factors which is determining the quality score: ad relevancy, expected CTR and landing page relevancy. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by ad relevance?
So
Yeah, Prashant.
ad relevancy in the sense like when someone search query in Google or somewhere, some other way,
Okay.
so it should trigger to the particular keyword which we are targeting.
It will trigger. If you are bidding, it will trigger.
It should be relevant to our ad also, ad copy also.
Okay. You are saying that Abhinay wants to.
Yes, so if someone is having a particular query,
Okay.
he should be able to see the same query on the even the ad copy itself, so that he knows that he's on the right. He got the right right advertisement.
So you are saying that query is
exactly.
typing something and that query should be present on
the
ad copy.
lines.
So that is ad relevance. You are saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me give you one small example. Let's say CEO of this company, eMarket Education, is asking Prashant to run a PPC campaign to promote our course pages. So we do have separate pages, right? Digital marketing course page, PPC training course page, SEO training course page, and then Adobe Analytics add-on. So you are creating a campaign and you are targeting different keywords. So all the SEO related keywords, SEO training course, SEO training fees, SEO training, best SEO institute in Bangalore, and the same way PPC. So you will be targeting all these keywords in your campaign, right? So when someone is typing in search engine SEO training with placement, and the ads are showing top 4 ads. First one, it's showing digital marketing course. Second one, PPC Training Institute Bangalore. The third one, SEO Training Institute, something like 100% placement. And they do have different things in H2, H3. You know how ad copy is written, right?
Yes.
Right? Now don't tell me that you don't have idea about writing ad copy. We have already covered that. So you know how to include H1, H2, how to include your keywords, USPs, everything. So they have different style. We have 3 ad copies showing now for this particular keyword. And which one you think that, okay, which is the best one? Which is the best ad copy you are seeing? Third one, why?
Because there is
it's relevant to my keyword on the hiding
Do you know that this keyword, the search term which is having SEO training and placement, you know the user intention clearly. The audience are looking for SEO training. They are not looking for complete digital marketing course, or they are not looking for PPC training course. They are looking only for SEO training course. So when we are trying to understand our users' behavior, that means users' behavior in digital marketing, we will understand users' behavior by understanding the keywords. So when you are understanding the business keywords, means you are, literally we can say that by understanding the business keywords, you are understanding how to strategize your campaign, your PPC campaign also. So this is relevant to the search term, right?
Yes.
So you have to add relevancy. Google is trying to understand whether we are using keywords in our ad copy, whether it is relevant. What do you mean by relevant?
They are about the same kind of thing.
Same kind of thing.
Keyword and the copy.
When we are looking for something, are we going to find something same? So then that will become relevant and we can expect users to click on our ads. So that is ad relevancy. So ad relevancy, you can improve your ad relevancy by adding your important keyword. How will you find out the important keyword?
Using Planner 2, Google Planner 2.
Keyword Planner 2. Okay. Suppose if you have a an ad group for PPC training course page, PPC page, and you have 5 to 7 keywords, all related to PPC. You need to find out the important keyword, maybe the PPC training course. It should be related to PPC only. So then either use it in H1 or H2, or if you can use in description 1 or description 2, it's okay. Description 1, let's say about description 1, because description 2 won't be showing always. You know that, right? H3 and D2, it won't be showing always. So H1, H2 will be there and D1 will be there. So try to use this keyword and then add extensions. How will you use ad extension in a way that you want to improve your ad relevancy of keyword? How many varieties of ad extension we have?
So we have 8 types.
So which are the important ones? We are not going to use 8.1 for every
You
industry.
can use call out extensions,
Call extensions, code extension,
and cycling extensions.
cycling extension. Why only Prashant is saying? No one else is answering. Okay, please. Please.
So these three are the major.
Okay. So try to use PPC related terms in call out as well. Maybe site link. Enroll for PPC course. Something related to PPC. It should be, the keyword should present in the ad extension also. So Google will try to understand, yes, you have included your keywords in ad copy, then you have included the same keywords in your ad extensions as well. So Google will count everything, and at the end of the day Google will see everything and it will improve your ad relevancy. Now expected CTR. So what do you mean by CTR? So how will you improve your expected CTR? How will you improve your CTR for your keyword? Here. So normally how will you increase CTR for your keyword? How will you increase CTR for your keyword? Sean wants to tell something? No.
Generally, CTR will be high when the keyword and the copy, when the people landed for the right keyword and see the right headline and the right copy.
Impression.
Sorry? Yeah, please. Sorry.
I mean, if you are giving a relevant, like whatever your product or services, then you have the impression and click, then the CTR will increase.
Increase the ad relevancy. If you increase the ad relevancy, normally you can gradually you can expect good CTR as well. But at the same time, alright, wait. Use of ad extensions. And all important thing you have already covered. How you write your ad copy. So what are things you will be checking when you are writing ad copy?